show that the EMF of lead accumulators depend on the concentration of the electrolyte. And now you can also get my lecture notes from chepecmedia.co.nf. The link is given in the description. So the principle is the stored energy is converted into electrical energy by means of a chemical reaction. And the construction is, it is consist of a polyvinyl chloride container. Anode is pure lead and the cathode is lead plate impregnated with lead oxide. The electrolyte used is 20% sulfuric acid, which is having specific gravity of 1.75. When it is connected in the circuit, the operation starts. Its working is quite simple. So at left hand electrode, oxidation occurs. That means lead solid reacts with sulfate ions, producing lead sulfate solid. At right hand electrode, reduction reaction occurs. So lead oxide solid reacts with 4 hydrogen ions and sulfate ion, and it combines with the 2 electrons, producing lead sulfate and water molecules. So the net cell reaction is combination of above two reactions, which is lead solid combines with lead oxide solid and sulfuric acid, producing lead sulfate and 2 water molecule. This reaction is while discharging, so for charging it will be reverse. On applying the law of mass action to above cell reaction, we get K is equals to activity of lead sulfate square into activity of water square divided by activity of lead into activity of lead oxide into activity of sulfuric acid square, which is equals to 1 by activity of sulfuric acid square, because activity of lead sulfate, activity of lead and activity of lead oxide is 1 because they are solids, and activity of pure water is also 1. So on applying the Nernst equation for the EMF of the cell, E cell is equals to E0 of cell minus R.T by NF ln K. Let's put the value of N and K. So E cell becomes E0 cell minus R.T by 2F ln of 1 by activity of H2SO4 square. So let's simplify the natural log. So it becomes E cell is equals to E0 cell plus 2 R.T by 2F. So here we can cancel 2 and the equation remains E cell is equals to E0 of the cell plus RT by F ln of activity of sulfuric acid. So from the equation it is clear that the EMF of the cell depends on the activity of sulfuric acid. The EMF value for the cell is 2 to 2.1 volt. And this cell can be represented as minus lead sulfate solid is in contact with 20% sulfuric acid is in contact with lead sulfate solid, lead oxide and lead and positive charge. The main use of lead acid battery is in automobiles and in laboratories. This cell is having several demerits or disadvantages, like it is costly, it is bulky, it is heavy, and care must be taken because sulfuric acid is used. So if you like this video, please click on the like button and also subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to receive the latest updates.